In this week's problem of the week, Grandma and Grandpa each have watches that don't work properly. Grandma's runs fast, gains 30 minutes every hour. Grandpa's runs slow and loses 15 minutes every hour. We're going to try to find out if they set their watches at 12 a.m. one night, what is the next time the watches will read the same time. And we're going to use a spreadsheet to do this. So we take 3 columns and put 12s at the top, where the first column is the actual time, the second column is Grandma's watch, and the third column is Grandpa's watch. Spreadsheets have a nice function. You can give it a command that it'll tell it to express all your numbers as time. So all of our 12s have now been changed to 12 a.m. Then our next step is to type formulas in the next row so that the number in the previous cell is 1 hour added for the actual time, an hour and a half is added for Grandma's watch, and 45 minutes is added for Grandpa's watch. Then a really neat feature in spreadsheets is called fill down, and we apply that to the second row, and it fills all the formulas down so that it continues to add an hour or an hour and a half or 45 minutes as needed. And we can see at the bottom that when the actual time is 4 p.m., Grandma's watch will say 12 a.m. and Grandpa's watch will say 12 p.m. And since many watches look the same at 12 a.m. and 12 p.m., 4 p.m. is one of the acceptable answers for this week's problem of the week. But if some of you thought that the watches perhaps distinguished between a.m. and p.m., then we fill down even farther and we get that at 8 a.m. the next day, both watches would read 12 midnight. So the other acceptable answer is 8 a.m.